Couple different options here. Easiest might be to just graph it or plug in these numbers. 2 times 0, 3 times 2, and do I get 6 if I add them together? And you're going to plug them in. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 2 is, of course, 6, so we're going to circle that. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 6 is not 6, not circling that. 2 times 2, 3 times 3, that'd be 4 and 9. 4 and 9 add up to 6? No. This would be 6 and negative 6. That doesn't work. 2 times 3, 3 times 0. That works. 12 minus 6 works as well. Plugging it in, pretty simple. No calculator needed on that one. Question number 2. Find the x and y intercept. There they are. 2 dots were across as the x-axis and the y. 5, 0, 0, 20. So that's part A. On the next page. Find and interpret the slope. What is the slope? Well, if I just use my equation here, subtract the y's, 20 minus 0 is 20. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So my slope is negative 4. Now what does that mean in this problem? What's negative 4 mean? Well, my y is $1, so that'd be the dollar per comic book. $4 per comic is what the slope means. That's all part B on the next page. $4 per comic. Write the equation. All right, y equals, I'm losing $4 per comic. What was my y-intercept? 20. Question D, if I have $20 and I buy 3 comics, how much money will I have left? Parker? 3 comics at $4 a piece, how much am I spending?
8.
You're spending 12.
12.
And yes, if you have $20 and spend 12, you do have 8 left. Yes. All right, question 3. Matching. Anybody think they have a match there? Addie, who do you got going from A? 1. 1.5 times 14 is 21. 1.5 times 2 is 3. 1.5 times 8 is 12. The only one that holds true to that one. Next easy one might be C. I subtract the x and the y and I get 4. Subtract the x and the y and I get 4. Othniel, what do you got for C? 2. Negative 3 minus a negative 7 is the same as 3 plus 7. 0 minus a negative 4 is the same as 0 plus 4, and so on. C does go to 2. E. The opposite of x plus 1 is the y coordinate. The opposite of x plus 1 is the y coordinate. Okay, so the opposite of negative 1/2 plus 1 would be 1/2. Negative 1/4 plus 1 would be 3/4. That one goes to 3. Okay, the other two, I got B going to 4. Again, you can just plug that in, make sure it works. 2 times this number, 3 times this number will give you 7. And 3 times x equals the second one divided by 2. Question number 4. Positive, negative, or 0? Looks like we are losing fuel. X is seconds, so time is down here. Amount of fuel is here. We are dispensing it. It will be going down. It will be going negative because as we are dispensing fuel, obviously it is losing fuel because we're dispensing it. Question number 5. Sandwich store charges a delivery fee. This is similar to one that we did earlier this unit. About pizzas, if I remember right. So $33 for 4 sandwiches. And then for 8, it's $61. So I gotta figure out the delivery fee. 33 divided by 4, 61 divided by 8 won't work, right? Not proportional because of the delivery fee. So I need to figure out how much these 4 sandwiches cost. So these 4 sandwiches increase my price how much? Went from 33 or 61 to or 33 to 61. How much did it go up? How much? 29? That's more than $20. You're close, but it's not 29. That would be 62. $28. So those 4 sandwiches increased my fee $28. So how much is each sandwich? $7. 28 divided by 4. So every sandwich is $7. Now, 4 times 7 is not 33. 8 times 7 is not 61 because they're charging you a delivery fee. How much is the delivery fee? 4 times 7 is 28. How do I get to 33? $5 delivery fee. Make sure it works for this one. 8 sandwiches at $7, 56 plus $5 delivery fee. It's got to work for both. Okay, so the delivery fee is $5. Sandwiches are $7.